Discover the sound that changes the way you listen. The new Doza Wireless combine premium design, intelligent noise cancellation, and an immersive audio experience. Technology created to let you feel every detail.
Everything you just saw, I did in the blink of an eye on the platform I'm presenting to you today. And as you could clearly see in the preview, something that has always been incredibly challenging and complex until now is creating perfect consistency across different shots. In a wide variety of diverse environments, combining elements, for example, my specific headphones with that distinctive character, that particular model, whether running in the pouring rain, sitting in a cafe, and so on. The workflow of GPT Images 2.0 with Seedance 2.0 is truly operating on a completely different level. And today we are very excited to be here at Lumaflow. You'll also find it linked below in the description. This is where we made this video and where we'll be able to create many more, along with other features and tools it offers, of course, to produce videos of this quality or even better, or with other ideas you might have naturally that have their own context. Then obviously with this level of video professionalism, you can sell your products, do branding. That part is up to each person. In this case, to start, we would go to ChatGPT image generator. The really great thing about it is that you no longer need to painstakingly write out a super long prompt, which used to constantly happen to all of us. We'd end up with a prompt of 10,000 characters just to generate an image. No, now the whole process is much more straightforward. For example, I want a massive multi-layered cake the size of a human being from Harry Potter. By the way, I have to pause here for a moment to inform you of the fact that we have a special thank you promotion with an amazing discount on ChatGPT and Nano Banana Pro, offering completely unlimited content generations for both models. Basic subscribers get the same deal, but for 7 days. So it's an absolutely perfect opportunity to use Lumaflow. Alright, and now I have my little cake generated with the different houses from there. And now it's time for Seedance 2.0, and this is the combination. Once we have our image generated now with ChatGPT and Images 2.0, after creating that giant cake with a Harry Potter style vibe, we're going to use this engine. It has incredibly natural movement, cinematic lighting, and premium textures and details. And the consistency is amazing, so we're going to tell it to have some rhinoceroses enter the room where the cake is and start eating it. And yes, as you can see, I generated something silly, but it was just to show you how the rhinoceroses come in and start eating the cake. And well, I downloaded the video so we can also watch the entire sequence. Here we are, calmly having dinner. Those rhinoceroses come in and start eating the cake. Those bastards. Just so you can see how impressive the ChatGPT workflow with Seedance is. And did you see the prompt? It was just 2 lines, nothing more. But before we go into more detail, as we're now seeing in a very visual way, let me pause to show you what Lumaflow actually is. It's an all-in-one. That means everything is in one place because it has some very interesting features aside from the workflow, which we'll keep talking about now, like ChatGPT and Images 2.2, well, 2.0 with Seedance. And we're also going to have countless different options, in addition to engines, since it's using some very interesting and unique ones within Lumaflow itself. Besides the fact that we have both text to video and video extension, which allows us to extend our videos and image to video, a bit like what you all are showing and what we'll be breaking down throughout this video, especially when it comes to artificial intelligence and video generators. Right now, Lumaflow is really good. Then we would have the same thing for images. That's really great, especially for generating resources, and also if you want to create content in bulk, whether it's in Reels format, Shorts format, in 9:16 or 16:9, you can go to a platform that handles all of that visual part for you directly, the part you're missing and need for this start and this workflow. Yet another truly fascinating feature you'll find within this platform is the lip sync tool, something we've talked about a lot, where consistency often tends to fail, especially for people who make videos in another language. What exactly does that mean? That if we're speaking in Spanish right now, but, for example, I have an English-speaking American channel and my lip sync needs to match the audio in English, it does that precise lip synchronization, which we have right here, along with many other amazing effects that we'll be breaking down in great detail. And I also want you, and I truly invite you, to check them out for yourself because they are absolutely spectacular. For all of our new users, you'll get 14 days completely free of charge to try out Chat 2.0 Images X. So if you're a brand new user, go straight down here to the link below to get started. Alright, now that we're here working with ChatGPT and Images 2.0 inside Lumaflow, we should also acknowledge that they have other really good ones. In case you don't just want to use this engine, we also have Nano Banana 2, SeedRAM 5.0, Nano Banana SeedRAM 5.4, and so on and so forth. So in this case, we're going to continue with GPT and Images 2.0 with another prompt to create a storyline or to have it follow the story a bit using a more elaborate pattern. Now let's generate those images, and what's great about it, one of its most important advantages is that it has incredible character consistency. And above all, when you're creating a storyboard, it has highly qualified cinematic consistency, as we've seen before, even with a very simple prompt. And the character card function and image reference ensure consistency of the same character across different scenes, as you saw at the beginning of the video.
Discover the sound that changes the way you listen.
Find yourself immersed within the new Doza Wireless combined premium design with intelligent noise cancellation.
Sound. Hear every detail.
In the end, consistency is vital.
In the end, I can
promote my Dota brand, which doesn't exist, but I just made it up now with you all. Alright, so as you can see here, I generated 4 types of images to adapt them to the one I like the most. In this case, we have a lot and some really good ones too. We have the first one, which is good. I think I'm going to go with the third one because now you'll understand the whole story. Alright, we have the images to videos and we have our own prompt. There's also something else to highlight, which is that it has an AI-powered notification agent. So, what does that mean? It means it can enhance and refine your existing message with a better structure and more specific details, so it creates a far more effective prompt for you. And this is a rare feature that very few other applications offer, because in the end you might be using a good engine, but if you don't have the right prompt, it will never capture everything you want, especially when it comes to maintaining visual consistency of the same characters across different scenes in the video. I should also point out that, besides ChatGPT, we have many engines. Apart from Seedance and Lumeflow's own, we also have Happy Horse 1 and Kling 3.0, which is also very good. So in the end, everything is on this platform. Now you just have to click create and it starts generating. And here folks, we're already seeing magic happen. Video created from what we were watching, but I'm going to pause it here because I want us to watch the whole thing now that it's downloaded. You're going to be blown away. Alright, make yourselves comfortable. My creation. They're running, they're hungry, suddenly skidding. They violently crash into a large object. Wow. It's awesome, isn't it? And in the end, what have we done? We've combined those 2 images that we had created, which are exactly with this one of the rhinos, and we've used this particular prompt. That's it. Very simple, but the truth is that I brought that prompt right here, and here is where it improved it for me with the feature I was telling you about, so that the same prompt would have more consistency and more latency. But as you've seen, there's no secret or mystery to it. Alright, so now using the omnidirectional reference, the 3 images have been added. We've also added an audio track and we have the previous video as a reference. And here is our entire prompt with everything selected with the images that need to appear, how long each thing should appear, to create a sort of mini script. So let's see the result. Alright, and here we have the result of the Omni reference. How about I download it and we watch the whole thing, and I'll give you some context. My prompt, the prompt that I created, is this one you're seeing here. We have used different reference images from ChatGPT 2.0. This would be the new one we've added. We've also made use of the previous video so that it follows the sequence. But in this case, it's in night mode since we're being robbed and thefts usually happen at night. So now you have the context. Let's watch the video. Hey, it's as if they found out that someone is stealing. This time they're not going to eat the cake. They're actually stealing it and desperately trying to protect the cake from those thieves. The most important thing to notice here is how these very same rhinoceroses appearing in different sequences always remain exactly the same. Just as the visual image is always fluid and seamless throughout all the various transitions between scenes. That is the key part that makes this entire creative workflow absolutely insane and impressive. So as you have seen, this entire workflow that it gives us and provides makes the window for new content creators very promising, since it is exceptionally easy and intuitive to use, as we have seen throughout today's video. You maintain a sequence of spectacular images and high-quality videos. And in the end, you have a creative power thanks to GPT 2.0 that is truly on a completely different level. So you already know, here at Lumaflow, you have unlimited access to GPT Images 2.0, that promotion we've talked about for the past few days, and you can also see it here on the screen. It's a license you pay for once and have for life. You have the basic plan and the pro plan, either one of them. And as you can see, you have all the limited time offers available during these extra days, KK. So this is the perfect opportunity to make the absolute most of them. And let's see if anyone can successfully challenge my rhinoceroses with the story of the little cake at Howard's. See you in the next video. I'm Dota. Bye-bye.